Hey guys, hope you all well. You've seen the title already, you know exactly what we're gonna be talking about. Before we're gonna jump to this video, hit the button to subscribe. It's total free, doesn't cost a penny. Press the thumbs up and press the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And give your girl a follow on Instagram because it's free as well. Also, I share way much more things on Instagram. I post like every day, especially on my stories. Alright, so this video, I got this package. You ready? Okay, I opened some things already up from the brand called MINXI, or that's so MINXI.com. This is all PR. If you're wondering, I'm always super honest reviews with all the products, but if it's sponsored or gifted or anything like this. So basically the brand is loungewear. Why I want to share reviews is it's because it's super affordable, and so far from what I see it looks amazing. I haven't packed it. All I did, I just unpacked the actual package to see what it is, but it looks amazing. I have 4 different sets, so I think we should just see what we got, right? This set, so we got a sweatshirt and then the joggers. Love the color. They call this MINXI cotton terry joggers in raspberry and MINXI cotton terry boat neck jumper in raspberry. I got both in size 8. Now if you're wondering my size, I'm in UK size 6 normally. The clothes I will buy from most of the stores is size 6, sometimes size 4, sometimes size 8, but because this is a loungewear and I prefer the feel of like oversized clothes when it comes to lounging, and you know, just want to feel comfortable, right? So I got everything in size 8. I have no idea if it's gonna be too small for me or too big. Gonna see soon. Gonna start from the boat neck jumper in raspberry. That looks so lovely. I think size 8 is probably good for me because it doesn't look super oversized. I don't know if that's supposed to be oversized or no. I really like it. Okay, so inside it has this like a fleece material which is super warm, perfect for this weather if you are in the UK. It feels super soft. It says that it's cotton. Okay, and then the joggers is the same. It's like a set. Joggers is MINXI cotton terry joggers in raspberries. Oh, I love it. So once again, exactly the same material. Has this like a fleece part in. Looks very cute. Has the pockets, and then like bottom where it close to the ankle, it has this tighter part. There's no elastic or anything, but it's tighter so it doesn't roll up your legs, which I really like actually. High-waisted from what I can see, which is perfect because when it comes to, you know, loungewear, I kind of like the high-waisted look. I don't know about you guys. Look at the pockets. I think we should just try this on and see how it goes. Agree? Okay guys, I put the whole set on and oh my god, I love this. It looks so good. Look, so it's high-waisted, as I said. It has pockets, super warm material. The top is a bit cropped, which I actually like because the joggers are high-waisted, so it sits like perfectly together. What do you guys think? Because I really like really like it, and it's so comfy. And size 8 I think is just perfect, so maybe take a size up like I did. Like I usually size 6. Trousers goes like this. Super comfy. Like literally, this is so comfortable, you guys. What do you guys think? It's really cute. Okay, let's check another one that I have in here. Another set, I mean. So this one is the zip crop MINXI cotton terry zip jumper in basil, and then MINXI cotton terry joggers in basil as well. I can see already that it has this fleece material inside, like this one. This feels so comfy, guys. You have no idea. Like, I don't want to take this off. I'll just stay like this. That's okay with you. Okay, so this jumper has a like halfway zip on the top. It's not all the way zip. It's cropped up. It doesn't have this like a round part like this one has. Like you see, it's like sewed in. This looks like a cropped sweatshirt as well. Love the color. Very different. Okay, joggers. I think the joggers might be exactly the same like I'm wearing now. It looks exactly the same material and all. It has pockets and it's like a fleece material, which is super warm. I think the trousers will be exactly the same. So let's just try this on. Okay guys, I just put this on. Oh my god, I love this. Love the crop sweatshirt thing. This feels way much lighter than another one, although I feel the material is the same. I think it's just because it doesn't have this part. Is more like a loose sitting, if that makes sense. Love this zip part. This is so good. Love it. I'm like, yeah. I have a mirror in front of me, like a full-on mirror. That's why I keep looking there. Yeah, love it. Love the way it looks. And the trousers feels exactly the same. So I think it's just a different color. The same trousers. Once again, high-waisted. Yeah, I think it looks really pretty. What do you guys think? Okay, I got two more sets, one in black and one in white. This feels way much lighter, so I think it's not gonna be as warm as this previous one and the one I'm wearing just now. So it has this like fleece material. It's a crop t-shirt. I'm definitely gonna like it. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh, I definitely like this. Once again, it has a name on the top. Oh, this doesn't have any name actually, just like a little logos on the sides, but it doesn't have a full name on. The t-shirt have it, but it's in black, so it's not like super visible. It's not in your face. Yeah, I love this. Looks like it'd be nice. Can't wait to try this on. And then the trousers is a wide leg trousers. Okay. It is a wide leg trousers. So material itself is cotton, but it's like super light cotton. It's like nearly see-through. If you guys can see that. Once again, size 8. Has pockets in the front, elastic waistband, and then like a string so you can make it even tighter. Alright you guys, I thought I'm not gonna like it, but I absolutely love it. I mean, I love a t-shirt. This is oversized and I'm taking a size 8, so it's a bit more oversized. I think if you would go for your normal size, like because I went size up, it would be even shorter. Love the trousers. It has this string too, so you can make it like even tighter if you wish. Love it. It looks so good. It is white, like you see. It's pepper, but super comfy for lounging around the house. Loving this. Looks good, isn't it? When I opened this whole huge pack, I just seen inside the pack. I was like, oh my god, this looks so good. I better film this and share with you guys, because obviously I didn't know if it's any good or not because I haven't unpacked it. So this is very much so first impressions review, guys. So far so good. Alright, I've got one more set in here, which I think is exactly the same. Yeah, so it's exactly the same name in a white color. Let's try this on, right? Yeah, exactly the same. Maybe because it's white you'll see better than it was in black. It's a bit ironic. It's all cotton, once again, amazing, right? So you see it has like these big pockets in the front. On the white I think you can see it's better. Elastic waistband, then these strings to make it tight if you wish. Super wide leg, like you see guys. Yeah, exactly the same like the one I'm wearing just now. I'm gonna try this in a second, but because it's exactly the same, so I know what to expect. As I said, I got this package, I unpacked it, and I was like, oh my god, it looks so good. I need to film and unpack in front of you in case it's like really good. And I'm not the person who would, you know, fake first impressions or fake reviews or anything. Plus, I'm always super honest with you if I like things or no. Absolutely love these clothes. Love that it's cotton. I mean, no synthetic something material. It's cotton, which is amazing. It's super affordable. It's a brand new brand as well, not well known or anything. And I love to support small brands because, well, everyone started small. Everyone needs to start somewhere, right? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see more similar content on my channel. Should I do more like try on hauls as well, not only, you know, makeup reviews and tutorials? If you already checked out this brand, let me know in the comments down below as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, press that bell icon, and give your girl a follow on Instagram. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly try this on and then we're done. Oh my god, guys, it's so comfy. You see, it's a bit see-through as I said because material is so super light. On a black you couldn't really see that it's like slightly bit see-through. Although the trousers are, the t-shirt is not really, like not much. Still super comfy like for home. I got you guys. Look, see the trousers are like so wide. Alright, that's enough for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'll see you soon. Ciao for now. Have an amazing day, guys.